Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a CATIA software and how to this body is designed here easily and clearly. This is a new design. This is a new design is created here, and this is a new design available in this field. And in this designing field, this product and this project is a new design, and this is a beginner student is very useful and helpful for a learn CATIA software. And this is a simple project is designed here easily and clearly. Okay guys, at first this body is designed here, and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. And also this is a single view, and okay, this is a correct, and back side and front side is both side is a looking perfect, and this body is a very useful, and this is a very helpful for any work. And how to this body is designed, and all process is one by one is learn here, and this is boundary is created here easily, and this angle, some angle is twisted. Okay 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 guys, let's start here. This body is designed. Okay, at first drawing a mechanical design and use a generative sheet metal design and click OK. And at first select a plane is a YZ plane, and also available here YZ plane is select here. Okay, YZ plane, and use this is a position sketch is select here, and this is a okay. At first select this center rectangle is click here, and this is a correct, and mention any dimension. This length is a, and this width is a correct, and this length is 260 millimeter is correct, and this is a 280 also better, and this is a 190 is correct. Okay, this is a perfect, and this apply a corner is a this. Okay, and use this is a 38 millimeter is correct. Okay, this is a perfect, and click exit. And at first this sheet metal parameters is click here because all command is not activated, and at first select this sheet metal parameters, then other command is also activated. And also you can see here easily all command is activated, and this value is changed here, and you can see here, and you can easily change here this value. And this thickness is 1 millimeter, and this default bend radius is 2 millimeter is correct, but you can see here, and you can easily change this. Okay, and this is a okay. Okay, okay, and select this wall is select here, and this line is click, and invert material side, and okay, this is a perfect, and select this shading with edge without a smooth edge is select here. Okay, and this plane is hide because this body is looking perfect. Okay, this is a correct, and this face is select here, and use this position sketch and click OK. Okay, and at first use this offset command is offset command is click here, anywhere is click, and this is a correct, and this value is change here minus 15.2. okay, this is a perfect, and exit, and use this surface stamp definition box is pop up, and some angle is change here, 82 millimeter is 82 degree angle is change here, this angle is 82, and this height is 8.1. okay, and also this first radius is 4.2, and second radius is 4.1 is correct, and preview is showing here this is correct. okay, this is a perfect, and this face is also select here and use a position sketch and click OK, and some rectangle is created here. okay, and mention any dimension is this length is and also this width is correct, this length is 205 millimeter, and this width is 130 millimeter is correct. okay, and this corner is also apply here, and this corner is this is 18 millimeter is correct. okay, all is looking perfect, and all is perfect, and this value is change here, 205 millimeter is correct. okay, and also this is 210 is better. okay, perfect, and 130 is correct. okay, and click exit, and this is a surface stamp definition box is pop up, and this angle is 82 degree is correct, and this height is 82 millimeter, and this first radius is 6.2, and second radius is 6.4 millimeter is correct. okay, all is looking perfect, and some boundary is apply here, and this command is used here, a teardrop command is used here, and boundary is apply here, and this thickness is 3 millimeter, and this length is 3 millimeter, and this default radius is 2 millimeter is correct, and one by one is all upper line is click here, and then create a boundary, and boundary is very correct. and boundary is apply here, and boundary is correct and perfect, and some material is apply here. At first click this shading with material, then material is apply, and going this metal and this steel, and click OK, and this is a steel, right click, going to property, and use this reflectivity is very high, and this click here and use this. okay, this is a perfect. this is looking perfect. And also back side is looking here, and this all is looking perfect. This is looking perfect and correct. Guys, I hope you will learn all method is learn here easily and clearly. And guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you.